It's 12 noon in London, 7 a.m. in Philadelphia, and around the world it's time for Live Aid.
At the time, I remembered it for the concert because it was all that anybody was talking about.
I do remember quite a lot about that time actually, because I was 9 going 10.
My brother was absolutely out of his mind.
I actually thought Bob Geldof was just a scruffy man at the time.
He is a pain in the neck.
There are people dying now.
Every night on the 6 o'clock news, it would be the headline of what was going on in Ethiopia at the time. It were horrific. They were starving. They were dying in front of us on the TV. And I remember watching it and thinking there were children the same age as me going through this horrific ordeal.
እንደውም ገቨርንመንታችን ለውጭ ኃይሎች እንዳይሰሙ በመደበቁ ውጭ ሀገሮች በቃ እንዳይሰሙ ይሄ ገቨርንመንት አይሆንም ብለው ከስልጣን እንዳይወርዱት ሀገራችን ዝናብ ዘነበ ሁሉ ነገር ተስተካከለ ግን በዛ ሰዓት እነሱ ባይደርሱኮ እጥፍ ሰው እንኳን ዛ አያቆምም ሲቲ ድረስ ሰው መሞት ይጀምር ነበር እኮ ማለት ነው
Now I see it more as a charity. Now I see it more as what it was, and Bob Geldof was there to make it that.
ብዙ ነገር ብቻ ህክምናን በማድረግ ብዙ ሰው ሴቭ አድርጓል በጣም ብዙ